Hey, look at you guys.
Aloha from Hawaii. Welcome back, you beautiful people. Happy Mother's Day. Oh, wow. Oh, very nice. Very nice.
Oh, yeah. It's like this.
Yeah.
But at the top, I don't know.
This is a beautiful view. You can see
This is the best hike
Coco
ever.
Crater.
Look, Hoika.
Diamond Head. This past Mother's Day weekend, I went off with two of my really amazing friends, Kendall and Kimberly. Good morning, everyone. I have to whisper because everyone is, well, almost everyone is still asleep. So Alex has gotten up. She's watching some cartoons over there. And I am about to go hiking without all of them. No dogs, no kids. I can't remember the last time that I did this. But I'm gonna be going with a whole bunch of other moms. We're gonna go hit it. We're going up some stupid, crazy, steep trail with a lot of stairs. It's legal. Okay, so we're not doing the Stairway to Heaven. Like, we have to stick to legal trails. I'm wearing my hiking sandals. Everyone's gonna think that I'm crazy. The only bad thing about these shoes is I've had them for, I think, only 3 months, if that. And they're already so worn out. Like, look at this. So, we'll see how we do. Really worn on a spot that I really need some grip. So, it might be bush climbing.
Gonna pick up this hitchhiker right here. You ready?
I'm ready.
You ready? Let's get it. Oh, sorry. I wasn't ready. Let's go. Kendall, you are late. Where are you? Bird in daylight. I'm late. I'm so sorry. Are you ready?
I've been ready.
I know, I've been ready.
I told her.
I said 5:30.
Dude, me too. We could have all just left. Why didn't y'all tell me?
I was trying to be
I
polite.
didn't want to rush anyone.
This is my
Oh,
first.
no, I've been ready since 5:30.
This is my first time hiking with y'all, and I didn't want to be like the one person who's like, drill sergeant. Are you guys? Are you up? Let's go.
Like, let's go. We should have
ready.
left like
we
an
should
hour
have left.
ago.
All right.
Yeah,
well,
we
we're
should
good.
have
Now
left.
we know. Now we know.
Now you know, yeah. Kendall and I are totally like,
Yeah.
hey, have you been thinking about this since 3:30? Me too. Yeah. We should have left.
I accidentally woke up at 4 a.m. like thinking I had overslept. And I was like, maybe I should just get up now.
Remember I did that Thursday?
Yes.
Dude, I was up at 4.
How was walking to the hike?
It was great. It was a great warm up. It was straight up the road.
Y'all ready? Ready?
We're ready. I'm sorry.
You're not ready. You're not ready.
I am.
I don't think you're ready. Ready for 12 switchbacks?
All right. 12 switchbacks.
I don't know. There's a lot. No, but there's a lot.
All right. Let's do this.
Look at her sandals. These are hiking sandals. I didn't know there was such a thing.
They're Lunas, so they're the same. They're like the other company that started, with the whole tire thing. They are very expensive for such a simple piece of rubber.
The thinnest little piece of material.
It's like a bikini, right? Like, what the hell? Why does this thing cost so much? I think my only regret with this whole vlog is that I only had 2 external microphones, and so I didn't have one on Kendall. I think if I had one on Kendall, we could have just done a 3-hour raw edit. It would have been such a hilarious skit between the 3 of us. Oh my God, the birds. I love the sound of the birds here. My GoPro is steaming up. It spends too much time in the ocean. It's got some water vapor on the other side of that lens protector. Oh, wow. Oh, very nice. Very nice.
Maybe this was the view. Oh yeah, this was it back here, you see?
Oh, wow. You were right.
And you're not even that high.
Maybe on the way back we'll take photos.
Yeah, it's Kendall didn't do her laundry this morning? Did you fold it for her? No, wait.
Oh, wait. I forgot.
Sorry, Kendall.
Hi, pretty. Oh my gosh.
Look at the excuse Kendall's making to take a breather. No, I'm just kidding.
Oh, look, another one. I don't think I've been sweating this bad in a long time. I feel like I literally am in the shower. Not even out of the shower, in the shower. I'm in the shower.
Did anybody eat breakfast?
Nope. Do this again.
What switchback is that?
I don't know. Are you counting?
9? That was me almost falling. It's fine.
I was actually gonna do that until I got married. John got back from Afghanistan and was like, let's get married. I'm like, okay, let's get married. 2 weeks later, we're married. Oh, the baby still waited, I think, 7 years. We had a lot of fun.
James and I spent, before he went to Afghanistan, the first little bit of our marriage at an amusement park riding roller coasters every single weekend.
That's awesome. I don't remember the last time I was dripping sweat.
I haven't hiked this fast ever.
Yeah, I have little kids. I have to stop every few feet and go, let's go.
Do you believe
faster.
me now, Anna, that I'm a slow hiker?
Your feet don't hurt yet. We just started. There's ice cream at the end. Keep going.
Amy.
Look how beautiful this is. I do feel like I'm in Maine. Like pine trees, everything, roots, rocks. This is Maine. You just have to have a little bit less soil and more roots and rocks.
Kind of looks like Tennessee too.
There's no topsoil in Maine.
I'm coming.
There she is, way over there.
What? We say over yonder where I'm from, okay?
Over yonder.
No.
Y'all coming?
Yonder. I met so many people that turned around right here because this is it for the next mile.
Oh, hurt.
Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop the beat. Hey, this is where I put on music because I couldn't go anymore. Everybody, move your hair and feel united. You know, if I'd quit talking, I'd have more energy.
We all had kept coming up with excuses to stop and take a break because we were going at a pretty good pace. We had a timeline to keep. We had other obligations in the afternoon. We had to make it down this mountain by 10 a.m. So we were pushing it. So for Kimberly, she was like,
where's my water?
Where's my water?
I said, you're gonna have to teach me your ways in doing this with sandals.
So watch your step. Small feet.
Whew. Come on, Bo Kivas. Get me through this. Haven't even made it to the stairs. Where's my water? Laid back.
Instagram post, hold on, I gotta frame it. You know, make it look good.
Wait, get this on video. Everyone's like, I love hiking. I love hiking. I'm like crawling up this way. All I do is hike. Got my Solomons. Hike. I'm dying.
We're almost there. Almost there.
You're doing a good job.
We'll leave the top and the sun will burn off as we get to the top.
Hot. But not today. E malama I kawau kele, okay? Respect the rainforest.
You're good.
Did you like that?
I can't say things like that.
I learned it from Kendall.
You out.
Wow.
Look, it's clearing out there.
Oh my gosh, guys, we might
rock this.
We might. Look at this.
Yeah. Little did we know it was about to get serious on top of that mountain. Like 5%. There's the stairs. So there's 300 stairs.
That lady we'll see.
Smoking.
Tour guide Barbie's counting.
Tour bar.
I would count everything. It's her hair, it's her hair.
Oh, my legs already
And
hurt.
her
I'm not
knowledge.
gonna lie.
She's very
I
intelligent.
hate stairs so much. Why are stairs worse than switchbacks?
What? Stairs are worse than switchbacks.
Yes, they are.
At least you get a break on switch. Oh wait, yeah, they're worse. I'm sorry, losing oxygen.
Sorry, excuse us.
Keep climbing, just keep climbing. What do? We climb. Nothing but clouds, baby.
Woo, it's raining. I don't think the drone is going up. Dang it. It was just clearing up too. It was just clearing up. Now it's pouring rain. You and your GoPro get wet.
Excuse me, have you seen my friend that left me that promised me that she was gonna stay with me?
Yeah, she said you need to step it up. You're slacking. Embrace the suck.
I know. Tour guide Barbie?
I know exactly how you feel, because this guy was the same way going up.
She said something about slackers and you only the first round.
You suck! You suck! Thanks, Kendall. Thanks for talking about us to these strangers.
Oh my God, she exists.
You lied to me. And those people said you called us slackers.
Yeah, that sounds like a waterfall.
I would love to go swimming right now. Vortex boots that hold water inside, so it goes in your heel. Or like, oh, freak it out. Like, why do you have a camera with me? Oh yeah. So beautiful out here.
I'm sorry about the water in the lens, people. I'm running out of things to dry it on.
The view, not. Is it still recording? Oh.
Drops. Fantastic weather. We're almost there, people. That's a lovely view. Yeah. There you go. Hi, baby. I totally needed to bring these sunglasses to the top, too. Oh, yeah. Woohoo! Don't go to the ledge. That's a big cliff.
She went the wrong way. It's this way. To Kuliouou.
Welcome to Kuliouou.
Most beautiful view of Hawaii. And all the island.
Woohoo!
Where?
So this is one of the most beautiful hikes on the mountain. Very popular for its views. You're hiking up to one of the highest points. Just the views from the top are amazing. So I'm gonna insert a couple of clips that I got from Kimberly when she hiked this trail with her family a couple weeks ago. To give you guys an idea of like how beautiful it could be. Well, that was it. We are heading down and I can't even look at the camera. We are on survival mode heading down. We inhaled some food and we're going survival mode because
I am fully.
I was starting to get so cold just sitting there. Sometimes rain isn't always in the forecast in Hawaii and it still rains.
At the top, I don't know, is that a
This
thing?
is wonderful.
This is a beautiful view. You can see
This is the best hike
Cocoa
ever.
Crater,
Look, like
Diamond Head. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
This is where I excel, I'm not even joking. I can't go up, but let's go.
I'm so soaked right now. I am so soaked. Oh, this is so scary in sandals, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, baby.
Man. Oh! That was an amazing hike. It was perfect. It was everything I wanted it to be. You know, I had so much fun with Kendall and Kimberly. It was a great escape from our motherly obligations back home that we had to go back to.
And we made it.
So happy Mother's Day, everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Mahalo for watching. The next 2 episodes are going to be killer. I'm actually a little bit behind on publishing, or I guess I'm not really behind on publishing, but we've just had so many adventures in such a short period of time. So really the next 2 adventures are gonna be a celebration of my children. You know, the thing that makes me a mom, the thing. You know, we're gonna go have some fun with them in their own. And I'm gonna take them individually so they can have some individual time with me. Not competing with their sibling, just one-on-one. And I think it'll be very special. We'll see you guys later. Thumbs up if you haven't already. Have a good day.